File maintenance applications make up a significant percentage of menu selections in any application. So it's good to know that with Dynamo tools, most file maintenance applications can be created without writing any code at all. Here are a few character-based examples. Product category maintenance is a simple single-character code that has a description and a type that can be one of 3 letters, costed, uncosted, or other. File maintenance applications allow you to advance through the file forward, backward. They also allow search capabilities. Here's a slightly more complicated example. Still a description, 3-digit code lookup, another 3-digit code lookup, and an attribute set lookup. This particular one has a second view, which allows you to record selling prices for this given product class on a given pricing start date for a vendor and customer. This information will be stored in a subsidiary file. You can also search for records. Here's a more complex example. This is a customer with address, telephone information, and all these other views. You can have multiple ship-to addresses, so this is like a file maintenance within a file maintenance, listing each of the ship-to addresses that are available for this customer. This is another simple view of fields that are contained within the customer record. This is similar. You see some blank lines and some extra spaces here. That implies there's some custom code getting executed to enter and possibly display this information. Here's another subsidiary file of customer part numbers, customer pricing by item, and notepads. And you can also have some graphical applications, graphical views within these character-based applications. For example, an attachment, you would need to upload that from your PC, for example, or workstation, and store it somewhere on the server. To learn more about Dynamo Tools file maintenance, visit excelware.com.